In a sunlit kitchen, a sleepy routine begins with a mug of cocoa while a chatty cat judges the agenda. The toast pops up like a tiny sunrise as the person negotiates with the clock and a stubborn butter knife. A goofy playlist swells, and the pet parrot chimes in with a corny joke that somehow makes everyone grin. Outside, rain taps the window while indoor plants listen, and a quick tidy turns chaos into a small, satisfying win. The day starts with a grateful wink, a sprint to the door, and a promise to savor every ordinary moment.